Hey out there, what's going on? This is Wakefield from True Online Wealth. And what I want to talk to y'all today about is a traffic exchange that's been around since 2009. This one is highly popular. This is a good one to get eyeballs on your website, squeeze pages, landing pages, blogs, offers, whatever you want to call it. This one right here is very active with people always looking for the next big thing or the next opportunity to add to their roster of opportunities. And this traffic exchange is none other than Traffic Adbar. This is my account. That's my picture right there. Or like they say, avatar or whatever. But yeah, this thing right here is a traffic machine. You most definitely want to sign up for Traffic Adbar. It's free to sign up. You know, you can always upgrade to better packages. All you got to do is surf sites and you'll build up credits and use those credits to advertise your site for free. Or you can buy traffic if you don't want to surf all day and just pay for the traffic and go on about your business while your site gets looked at by however many people or however how much money you got, depending on which traffic package you order. You can upgrade to higher packages or whatnot. When you sign up, you can see that. But I'll click on it right here. That's my links right there. Okay, you can upgrade and get more visitors. You know, that's a free, a pro light, a pro, and a platinum. So when you sign up for free, that's where you're going to put your links at, and that's where you upgrade it. But yeah, Traffic Adbar, as you can see, there got a lot of members right here. You can see their pictures. Like I say, it's free to join. I don't know what it is. It's something about this traffic exchange that people just like. I mean, they very active on this site. I know for a fact. But yeah, Traffic Adbar, another good way to get some traffic online. Like I say, it's free. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a link below. And I'm gonna put a link to my blog below. Yeah, this guy right here is a sponsor, my sponsor in another program. And he's a highly respected marketer too. But yeah, I'm gonna put a link below to this Traffic Adbar, and I'm gonna put a link to my blog. That way you can see all the stuff that I got going on. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that notification bell and set up your free Traffic Adbar account. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.